Design is an important part of your product development. But it's not just about the way your product looks and feels. The design of your product is also about making sure it's safe and fit for purpose. And it has a vital part to play in the manufacture of your product. Design is quite a complex process. You'll probably call on the services of a designer. The key to all interaction with a designer is the design brief. First, it'll be used as a point of reference by the designer. It'll also help you to get like-for-like quotes from designers, so you can make a meaningful comparison and an informed decision. Finally, it gives a clear and unambiguous focus for the design meeting, particularly in terms of customer needs, costs, and the timeline. In short, you need to write a design brief. The aim is to give the designer as detailed a picture as possible. As well as information about the product you're developing, the design brief will include background on your company, information on the market in which your product will be sold, information about the competition for your product's proposed selling price, and how you plan to market it. You'll also want to include the results of work undertaken during the concept development and business analysis stages of the project. This will have given you answers to questions such as: does your product or service solve a problem? Is it a real problem or a perceived problem? Is this a must-have item or just nice to have? Why will the customer buy the product or service? What is the USP, unique selling proposition? Every part of the design brief is important and helps the designer get a full understanding of what you want to achieve. There's a suggested format for a design brief in this module, as well as templates to help guide you. And if you think you don't have time to do a brief, it's worth heeding this comment from Peter Phillips at the Design Council. A design brief saves double the time that you spend on writing it.